Your financial business is a complex network. And it's not just complex, it's on the move. Regulatory environments are changing. Products need to be augmented with newer technology. Newer technology means customers transacting differently. Different transactions means there's more to sell, service, engage. Yet, you are who you are today. All because you have been taking decisions from the gut, decisions from experience, and it's only getting more complex. We understand, so we decided to stick a neck out, to build a product that listens to you a little bit more, that listens to your industry a little bit more, that listens to your questions a little bit more. Questions like, can I get one unified view of my customer? How are my products performing? How do I drive greater profitability? What strategies can lead to greater capital efficiency within the bank? How can I be a step ahead on the compliance requirements from my regulator? How can I enable a performance-driven culture within the bank? And many more questions on sales, growth, folio, delinquency, profitability, compliance, risk, governance. At iCreate Software, we have been working to help you be more informed and decide, to help your branches identify their focus areas, to help you engage better with your customers in connecting the dots, in converging the processes, so you can get a complete picture, all because you have the power to decide and to navigate into the next frontier. You are who you are today because you took a call. You decided. BizCore from iCreate Software. Your banking decisions are our solutions.